Something really exciting is happening right now. Every single April, Insta360 drops a new camera, and guess what? We are literally in that window right now. There are leaks flying around everywhere, 1-inch sensor, 8K at 60 frames per second, 10-bit color, AI auto editing. And honestly, this might be the most exciting 360 camera announcement we have ever seen. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything we know about the rumored Insta360 X6 because trust me, you do not want to miss this one. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let me just say this right off the bat. I have been following camera releases for a long time now, and there are very few moments where I genuinely feel like something big is coming, like that gut feeling where you just know. And right now, I have that feeling about the Insta360 X6. Now, before you say anything, yes, I know. It has not been officially announced. Insta360 has not said a single word about it publicly, but here is what is making the entire 360 camera community go absolutely crazy right now. The leaks. Because what is being rumored about this camera, honestly, it sounds like something Insta360 has never done before. People are talking about a 1-inch sensor in a pocket-sized 360 camera. That alone would be massive. But then you also have 8K at 60 frames per second on the table. 10-bit color, which means for the first time ever, you could actually color grade your 360 footage like a proper filmmaker. And then there is the AI auto editing rumor, which, if it actually works, the way people are describing it could completely change how creators use these cameras day to day. I mean, come on, that is a lot, and I genuinely cannot stop thinking about it. So in this video, we are going to break all of it down together: the release date, the leaks, what is realistic, what is probably just wishful thinking, and whether you should actually wait for this thing or just buy something right now. Stick with me because this one is going to be good. I have genuinely been looking forward to. Because the rumored specs on this camera, I mean, let's just go through them one by one, because each one on its own is exciting. But all of them together? That is a completely different conversation. Let's start with the big one, the 1-inch sensor. Now, if you are not a camera person, you might be thinking, cool, bigger sensors, so what? But trust me, this is a huge deal. A 1-inch sensor in a 360 camera this size has never been done before. What it means practically for you as a creator is better low-light performance, richer colors, more detail in every single shot. The kind of image quality that right now you can only get from cameras that cost a lot more and are a lot less fun to use. If this rumor is true, and a lot of people think it is, this alone makes the X6 worth paying attention to. Next up, 8K at 60 frames per second. Right now, the best 360 cameras out there are shooting 8K at 30 frames per second, which is fine. It looks great. But 60 frames per second? That opens up a completely different world. Smoother motion, actual slow motion possibilities at high resolution. For anyone shooting action content, travel, sports, anything that moves fast, this would be a game changer. And given where the competition is right now, this feels less like a wishful rumor and more like something Insta360 basically has to deliver. Then there is 10-bit video, and I need you to understand why this one matters so much. Right now, the X series shoots in 8-bit, which honestly looks good straight out of camera. But the moment you try to color grade it, seriously push the shadows, pull the highlights, I match it to another camera, it starts falling apart pretty quickly. 10-bit changes all of that. You get millions more colors captured in every single frame. Your footage becomes actually gradable in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro like a proper professional camera. For creators who care about the final look of their videos, and I know a lot of you do, this would be the single most important upgrade on this entire list. And then finally, the AI auto editing rumor, which is honestly the most fascinating one to me. The idea here is that the X6 could automatically analyze your 360 footage, track subjects, choose the best angles, and create a ready-to-share reframed video without you having to do anything. Now look, AI features in cameras are sometimes overhyped and underwhelming in real life. I am not going to pretend otherwise. But if Insta360 actually pulls this off properly, the biggest barrier to using 360 cameras, which has always been the editing workflow, basically disappears, and suddenly these cameras become accessible to a completely different kind of creator. So yeah, 1-inch sensor, 8K at 60 frames per second, 10-bit color, AI auto editing. If the X6 delivers even most of this, we are looking at something really special. The most important question everyone is asking right now. When is this thing actually coming out? And here is where it gets really interesting. Insta360 has been following the same pattern for the last few years now, almost like they set a calendar reminder and just never changed it. The X3 came out in September 2022, then the X4 dropped in April 2024, then the X5 came out in April 2025, exactly 1 year later. Do you see where I'm going with this? We are in April 2026 right now. And if Insta360 sticks to that same 1 year cycle, which they have done twice in a row, now the X6 should be dropping any day. Like literally any day. Some people in the community are even pointing to April 22nd specifically because that is the exact date the X5 launched last year. Insta360 loves their anniversaries. But here is what I will say. The timing right now feels too perfect to ignore. The leaks are getting louder. The community is more hyped than I have seen in years. And Insta360 has never been under more pressure to deliver something big than they are right now. So whether it is this month or later this year, the X6 is coming, and it sounds like it is going to be worth the wait. I know most of you actually came here for, should you wait for the X6 or just buy something right now? And I'm going to give you the most honest answer I can. It actually depends on where you are right now, and I mean that genuinely. So let me break it down into 3 types of people because I think one of these is going to sound exactly like you. You do not own any 360 camera right now. You are starting from 0. So for you, honestly, wait. Just wait. We are talking about potentially just a few weeks here, maybe a couple of months at most, and what you get on the other side of that wait could be a genuinely generational upgrade in this category, a 1-inch sensor, 10-bit video, 8K at 60 frames per second. If you are spending this kind of money for the first time, you want to spend it on the newest thing, so just hold on a little longer. You already own an older 360 camera, an X3 or X4 maybe, and you have been thinking about upgrading for a while now. Same answer, wait. Because if the X6 delivers even half of what is being rumored right now, that is going to be a genuinely meaningful jump from where you are. And even if you decide the X6 is not for you after seeing the full specs the moment it launches, the price on current cameras is going to drop, so you win either way. But for everyone else, and I think that is most of you watching this right now, the timing just makes too much sense to rush. We are in the window, the leaks are pointing in the right direction, and if Insta360 follows the pattern they have followed for 3 years straight, something really exciting is about to happen. So my honest advice? Bookmark this channel. Because the moment anything official drops about the X6, you are going to want to know about it immediately. It's all together real quick before we wrap up. The Insta360 X6 is not officially announced yet, but everything pointing toward it right now, the timing, the leaks, the competition, the market pressure, it all tells the same story. Something big is coming. And if the rumors are even close to accurate, this could genuinely be the moment where 360 cameras stop being a niche tool and start being something every serious creator wants in their bag. 1-inch sensor, 8K at 60 frames per second, 10-bit color grading, AI auto editing, in a pocket-sized camera. I mean, come on, that is exciting. And I think we are really close to seeing it become real. Now I want to hear from you. Down in the comments, what feature on this list are you most excited about? Is it the 1-inch sensor, the 10-bit video? Or is the AI auto editing the thing that would actually change how you work? Let me know. I read every single comment and I genuinely want to know what matters most to you. And if you found this video useful, and I really hope you did, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel more than you probably realize. And if you want to be the very first person to know the moment anything official drops about the X6, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I will be covering every single update as it happens. All right, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.